Hi guys, today I'm going to share my new simple strategy that will help you earn $528 on binary options trading. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss my new working trading strategies. Visit my Telegram channel, there you will find free trading signals and I will personally answer your questions to help you achieve financial success. Are you ready? Let's go! I'm an expert in trading and in this video I will show you how I earn money from trading. Use strategies to make money trading with minimal risks. You can use my strategies that I show and use them. Most importantly, think with a cool head and do not rely on emotions when trading. Always conduct an analysis before operations. I know you can't wait to get down to business. Pay close attention to what I say and what I do. Click like and let's go! The most exciting part of my video is my new trading strategy, which is guaranteed to work 100% if you do everything correctly. My strategy is based on one key indicator – momentum. With this indicator, I determine in which direction our chart will go. Everything is simple here. If the yellow line intersects with the blue one and goes down, it means that there is a decline movement in the chart, as well as vice versa. Also, for convenience, we will turn on the SMA indicator. It will help us better navigate trading situations. And now the secret indicator that will help you make money on trading is Dancing channel. This indicator will help you track the overall movement of the chart. And now the settings. I will leave everything to the basic settings. I include only 3 indicators: momentum and SMA Dancing channel. I'll leave the settings for the 3 indicators as standard. Now turn on the candles, set the interval to 1 minute, the transaction time is 1 minute as well, and you can start. I start with the amount of $75. It is from this amount that we will go out at $500. We open the dollar and Canadian dollar OTC currency pair and open our first downside trade in the amount of $75. Here we observe the intersection of the lines in the momentum indicator in the direction of decline. This is our signal. We also forget about our secret indicator that shows the general movement of the chart. We see how our first deal confidently turns into a plus. Do you want to achieve financial success? Join our team of traders. You will find the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel where I show signals daily. We put the amount of $144 on the second deal. The second deal will be the same in the currency pair. Analyze the situation and make a 1-minute reduction deal. Here the momentum indicator also shows us a decline and the general movement of the chart down the downtrend indicator. This is how our deal is coming to an end. As we can see, our strategy is working again. Our second deal ends in a plus. Our balance is already $276. Now we are increasing our transaction amount by this amount of $276. And now we are looking for the next situation that suits us, and this time we open a short trade for 1 minute. In this case, the SMA indicator shows us a sharp decline in the chart. The momentum indicator also suggests a downward movement. So we see that the deal is over, the next correct deal in a row, and we observe our balance at $528. Our strategy is coming to an end. With the help of it, we have reached $528 from just $75. And we see that all my deals were successfully closed, what shows that my strategy works well. Good luck and good profits to all. As you can see, all you need is just the right strategy. If you want to increase your income by trading, follow the link in the description of this video, subscribe to my Telegram channel, put likes on this video and write comments. See you in my next video. Goodbye to all and have good profits.